Hello, I'm Miss Kelly, your Instructional Technology Specialist and Schoology Ambassador. I get to work with the most amazing teachers and students. I am ready to jump into action to support our students and our teachers. As an Instructional Technology Specialist, I will lead sessions to help give teachers confidence and fine tune their technology skills. I will offer PLCs in the area of Google Drive, Schoology, Nearpod, and Arkansas Digital Sandbox, just to name a few. I will also assist with troubleshooting issues, and that would be with smartboards, desktop computers, printers, telephones, any type of technical device that you may have. I will also be responsible for some web page development. So if there is something that you would like to have on our school website, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will also be doing one-on-one training, and that will be for our new teachers. I will also do group presentation, and this will be to acclimate our staff to different technical aspects of their academic experience. I will also assist our students with troubleshooting problems that they may have with their devices and or with Schoology. In the next few weeks, I will send out a Google form and it will be placed on Schoology, and this will be for students who are interested in joining our student tech team. What is our student tech team? I'm glad you asked. The student tech team will be a group of students that will be able to actually be responsible for making sure that all students are proficient in the use of their instructional tool, which is the iPad. I will be responsible for training this group of students, and this will be to assist with any type of task on our campus. At the end of the school year and at the beginning of the upcoming school year, this special group of students will be responsible for being trained in the area of distributing and collecting iPads. And this will be done using the program Incident IQ. They will also be responsible for small repairs, such as maybe a cracked screen, learning how to replace a cracked screen, and or a damaged screen protector. If you are interested in joining our student tech team, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My number is 501-447-3016, and or you may email me at teretha.kelly@lrsd.org. Teachers, if you are having any issues with your devices in your classroom, please don't hesitate to call me. I am here to service you. Once again, let's have a successful school year, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.